Hello everyone, my name is Grant Hudson and this is my biographical sketch. Who am I? As I just said, my name is Grant Hudson. I currently live in Town, Arkansas. It's just west of Springdale. I was recently engaged to this beautiful woman here. Uh, a fun fact is that my mother, father, brother, and aunt are all teachers. Um, I knew I wanted to be a teacher since I was in fifth grade. Uh, I kind of swayed from that a little bit in high school, but I knew it's what I wanted to be when I grew up. Some things about me is that I enjoy sports. I like playing video games, and I binge watch just about any TV show. We have Netflix, we've got Hulu, any kind of streaming service. I watch just about everything on there. Uh, where do I teach and what do I teach? I currently teach at Decatur High School. I teach business, marketing emphasis, so make sure that all my students are marketing completers. So I teach classes such as small business operations, marketing business enterprise, survey of business, the requirements to be a completer in that field. And I'm the head football coach at Decatur as well. What's crazy about that is that my dad is also a football coach, and my mom is also a business teacher. So it's something that you could say is carrying on the family name and the family legacy. Another thing that I teach is fifth grade keyboarding. It's very interesting to me because I was expecting to only be teaching high school. Um, so the atmosphere is completely different between teaching a high school classroom and teaching a middle school slash elementary school classroom. I also don't have a classroom set up for that keyboarding class. I have to go to a specific teacher's class and teach their students keyboarding on a specific day. So I teach uh, 100 kids, but I teach 20 kids a day, 5 different days. So I'll see them all only once a week. So it's very difficult to keep them involved and interested in keyboarding. Okay, my future plans and my expectations for the MAT program are I want to graduate the MAT program and continue my education in low SES school, which Decatur is. Decatur is almost 100% low SES. They are 45% Hispanic, 42% Caucasian, and then 13% other. Another thing I want to do is apply for national board certification. My mother is nationally board certified. She's told me that it's helped her grow as an educator. It's something that I'm interested in trying to pursue. My expectations for this program are to develop myself professionally, to be a better educator, and to get a better understanding of the field of education itself. Having the background as both of my parents as teachers is very helpful in that regard, but at the same time, there's some things that I don't quite fully grasp, and this course will definitely help heighten that knowledge. Something interesting is that I am teaching with educators who used to babysit me. When I was about 3 years old, my dad and my mom both taught at Decatur. Uh, my dad's first head coaching job, which is really weird, as my first head coaching job was at Decatur. And whenever I was three, a lot of the younger siblings or the younger kids of the teachers that were there used to babysit me after school, and they're now teaching there as well. So as soon as I got there, all I heard was stories about my time there and how I was so little and how much I've grown, which is a very interesting thing to come into as a first teaching job. But I'm very blessed to have been offered a job and accepted there. And I look forward to the rest of this class and the rest of the program. Thank you for your time.